Quarter-size hail. Source.
Confirmed. No, it's not.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
Tornado warning.
South Bloomfield,
Tornado warning.
Commercial Point, Fox, Lockbourne,
Commercial
Darbyville,
Point.
Deer Creek Lake, Duval,
Doubleheader.
Ancoats,
Please doubleheader.
and Derby. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Ooh dear, it's looking a little sketchy at our house too.
Outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Tornado
For
warning.
severe weather, go to our
Yes.
website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media.
All right.
When you can do so safely.
Please doubleheader. 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 Doubleheader.
Here is a high wind warning.
It literally just went off like 1 minute ago for an alert, so yeah. So got SVR and then tornado warning.
High wind warning in effect
There we go.
at 8 p.m. this evening. Wind advisory in effect
There you go, guys.
at 11 p.m. this evening. The National Weather
I'm gonna pull weather.IEM bot back up.
which is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. A wind advisory has also been issued. The severe thunderstorm warning for Central Licking County will expire at 7:30 p.m.
Let's see. Yeah, it's not on here, so let's go and restart the page, see if it comes up. Yeah, it doesn't come up unless I'm actually...
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, alright, that's it.